Did you know that an ordinary onion can help soothe a cough? Yes, that's right. This humble kitchen staple can become your new favorite home remedy. Here's how it works. Onions contain sulfur compounds which are known to reduce inflammation and soothe irritation. All you need is a fresh onion. Cut it into half and leave it on your bedside table overnight. The released vapors work their magic, calming your cough while you sleep. Try it tonight and share the results. Remember, this doesn't replace professional medical advice. If your cough persists, please consult your healthcare provider. Join us again for more incredible health hacks.